Good morning, students. Student of class 6. Today we will discuss chapter of A Pact with Sun, A Tale of Two Birds. A Tale of Two Birds. Tale means story. This is the story of two birds. There is a mother bird who lived with her two young ones on a tree in a forest. The mother was killed in a storm, and young birds were separated from each other. Each found a different home. Once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in the forest. They had a nest in a tall shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of the little ones day and night. As you know, mother take care of her children, so she also take care of two newborn babies who lived in a nest on a tall shady tree. One day what happened? There was a big storm, thundering. As you know, before the storm there is thundering, lightning, rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall trees in which the bird lived also came down. The tall tree fell down. A big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird, and the bird was killed. Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to other side of the forest, and in this way he was safe. One of them came down near a cave where a gang means group of robbers lived, and the other means the other bird landed outside a rishi's ashram. So one went in the group of robber and second is in rishi's ashram. Days passed and the baby bird get separated, became big birds. One day the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and did not know where he was. After some time, the baby birds grew big birds. One day the king of the country came to the forest for hunting. He saw a deer and he lost his way and reached near he was unable to know where he has to go. He rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. At that time he was very much tired. He got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a robber's cave. Suddenly he heard a voice, "Quick, hurry up, there is someone under the tree, come and take his jewels." Who was saying that? That the bird which came into the contact of the robbers. Now the king was very surprised. He looked up, he saw there was a big brown bird on the tree under which he was sitting. He also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. He quickly got on his horse and rode away as fast as he could, and after that he went away from there. Now soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram. It was the Rishi ashram. Soon he reached near Rishi's ashram and he also wanted to take rest. So he tied his horse on a tree and sat down in its shade. Suddenly he heard a very gentle voice, "Welcome, sir, please come inside. The Rishi will come soon, and there is some cold water you can take and feel comfortable here." Now the king looked up. Same bird, big brown bird, was sitting on the tree. He became surprised and he said, "This one looks like the other bird. Both birds are same." "You are right, sir," answered the bird. Now bird said, "You are saying right. He is my brother and he had made friends with robbers, so he talks like robbers." And just then Rishi entered. "Welcome, sir." He said to the king, "Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look very tired. Rest, and I can share food." The king told the rishi the story of two birds, how each and behaved differently. Now, king told the rishi everything, whatever he had seen. Now, rishi said that this forest is full of surprises, and said, "After all, this is the impact of the company. One is known by the company he keeps. If he would live in the company of good people, he would be good, and if we live in the company of bad people, so there would be effect." So, students, the message of the story is that we should live कैसी कंपनी में रहना चाहिए? In good company, because we are also known by our company. Thank you, students.